Give him a hug. Do you want to give him a hug?
Yeah.
Oh, where's he going? Say, come back here, Biggie. Say, sit down, Biggie. Sit down. Sit down.
Yeah.
Biggie, sit down.
You sit down.
Yep, he sat down.
Sit down.
Sit down, please. Good boy.
You sit down.
Yep, he did.
You're saying sit down.
Now you're both sitting. Do you want to give him a hug now for being such a good boy?
You just sit down.
Hmm. Biggie, sit down. Sit down. Say sit down, please.